Welcome back to Clockwise Crypto, where we help you move forward towards financial freedom with crypto assets. Today, we're going to just dive into the market briefly, looking at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is giving us a little pullback here at $45,799. Ethereum pulling back as well, pulling back 34, 37 and counting. Going to the bubbles, looking at mostly the altcoins here and what's going on. We see GMT up 124%. Where else can you get that return? Where else? Nowhere. Looking at Zilliqa up 41.2%. Definitely want to check on my Zilla. Might just take a bag out and just let it run. Zilliqa is doing a crazy job. Just with this pump. I remember getting back with Zilliqa way back in 2018. So seeing it pump like this is amazing, up to 15 cents. Wow. We still have Apecoin pulling back, and we're going to dive into Apecoin a little bit. A lot of talk about Apecoin. This is exactly what we expected, a pullback after the big old pump, to really get Apecoin to a realistic price point, as we can agree that, a $30, $40 Apecoin right now isn't really a fair price point. So the pullback is what we expected. Solana up 17%, and really just a lot of altcoins have had pumps, and I think we have an opportunity to take better positions as we have a little pullback with Bitcoin, which happens usually with Bitcoin conference week in Miami. Every year it seems like we have a pullback. So it's something that we were expecting, but also something we can take advantage of. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment. Stay tuned to the end of the video. We're going to talk about a giveaway of crypto. It's going to be huge, coming on Friday. So looking at Bitcoin here, going to the daily time frame, we have a second triangle that we made to pay attention to. We see we did break, and we did retest the top of this triangle. This is kind of the why behind this second triangle, because now we believe that we should stay within this. We want to stay within this triangle right here, so we can make a little bit of an adjustment. You may want to go here. Either way, we want to stay within this new triangle, and kind of pay attention to the zone, preferably not breaking back within this original triangle that broke. So keeping things really simple, two triangles, support and resistance levels. We are pulling back. The pullback is expected, but hopefully we do not break below $44,200. Let's hope we do not break below there, for what our technicals are seeing. Fear, greed. Right now we're neutral. Last week with the pump, they're determining last week was a huge greed week. Like I said, last month when there was blood on the streets, extreme fear, that's when we want to buy. That's when we want to take positions. Right now we're neutral. I think with the pullback, we'll kind of go back towards the fear part. But remember, these are times you want to take positions. Last week was really not a good time to take positions, as everything was pumping up. All the excitement was coming back. But now with the pullback, we see Bitcoin pulling back. This is kind of when you want to start taking better positions, especially when we look at the chart here. We see a lot of red, a lot of opportunities. Apecoin down 22%. We have Sandbox down 6%. Shiba down 5.7%. XRP down 7%. This is just opportunity everywhere. So do your research. With Bitcoin being down 4.1%, just do your research and take solid positions and use these red times as an opportunity. We have HBAR down 5.7%. So this is something to just pay attention to and use this as an opportunity to take better positions. Going to Apecoin, so we can see here. We see here it is continuing to fall, and like I said, we have this area right here with 9.53. That kind of being our target when we come to a valid price point. I would love to see it go down to the single digits. When we look at single, I would say anywhere under $5. 9.53 is single, but I'm thinking more like 5 and under is really what I would be comfortable with. That pump up to to $28, almost $30 is really not it. So the pullback is healthy. I'm glad to see that, and you know, I would love to see where the floor is for Apecoin, because this is really a project that I think has a lot of momentum when it comes to hype around it. So I'd love to see how they deliver using their community, using their strong base as an opportunity to really build a foundational blockchain ecosystem for NFTs and really expanding into the metaverse. It would be something cool to see. I just wanted to dive into the markets real quick. We'll see what happens with Bitcoin. I know it's falling like a rock, and that's okay. I just really would like to see us not break outside of here, and we can give it as much slack as we can when it comes to our position on the support and resistance on these trend lines, as much as we possibly can. But you just can't. There's not too much we can do. So that'll pretty much be it right there. We'll see what happens as the days to come. This is a 4-hour time frame, so every candle will be 4 hours, and we'll stay locked into what's going to happen with Bitcoin. Preferably, like I said, we do not break above 44,200. So hopefully we stay above there. The markets are pretty good right now. Pretty good prices. I would say still on sale. I don't think we're there yet with Bitcoin being where it is and Ethereum being where it is. I still believe that everything is discounted right now, and everyone still has an opportunity to take advantage of this really opportunity of a lifetime, in my opinion, what we believe here at Clockwise Crypto. And we will dive deeper into Bitcoin tomorrow, see where we're at, and hope you guys got some value out of the video. Please study your technicals, study projects, do your own research, and we'll see you in the next video.